Elon Musk's Neuralink, a pioneering brain chip startup, has received approval from the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, to implant its experimental brain chip, named Telepathy, in a second patient. This move follows challenges faced with the initial trial participant, leading the company to modify its approach. In response to complications with the first participant, Neuralink has made significant adjustments, including embedding some of the device's ultrathin wires deeper into the brain. These changes aim to enhance the stability and functionality of the device, as reported by sources familiar with the company and a document reviewed by the Wall Street Journal. Neuralink plans to expand its clinical trials to include 10 participants this year. The primary goal of this project, known as the PRIME study, is to develop a fully implantable wireless brain-computer interface that allows users to control a computer cursor or keyboard with their thoughts. This groundbreaking technology holds promise for transformative treatments for various physical disabilities, such as blindness and paralysis, and conditions like autism, depression, obesity, and schizophrenia. Neuralink's ambition is to unlock new possibilities for individuals with these conditions, offering them a new lease on life. The first telepathy implant was performed in late January on Noland Arbaugh, a 30-year-old quadriplegic. The chip initially allowed Arbaugh to control a computer mouse using his thoughts without any adverse effects. The procedure involved a specially designed robot implanting the coin-sized chip, which has ultra-thin flexible threads, into the brain's movement intention region. This chip records and wirelessly transmits brain signals to an app that decodes movement intentions. However, about a month post-surgery, Arbaugh experienced a significant setback when most of the implanted threads came loose, impairing the device's functionality. This issue highlighted the unpredictability of brain movement within the skull, which exceeded Neuralink's expectations. Arbaugh described the emotional roller coaster of gaining newfound abilities, only to lose them shortly after. "I was on such a high, and then to be brought down that low. It was very, very hard. I cried," he shared. Neuralink has since implemented software updates to restore much of the device's capabilities, and Arbaugh has demonstrated these improvements in live streams. To prevent similar issues in future trials, the company has received FDA approval to implant the threads deeper into the brain of the second patient, targeting 8 millimeters into the motor cortex compared to the 3 to 5 millimeters used for Arbaugh. The next procedure is scheduled for June, with 8 more participants lined up for trials by year-end. Over 1,000 quadriplegics have registered interest in participating in Neuralink's trials, reflecting the significant demand and hope surrounding this innovative technology.